Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another plan with me. Today we're doing April 1st through the 7th. And you guys, I'm gonna do a Friends. I've got some Friends stickers and we are going to go ahead and have some fun with that. I also have my regular stickers here and then a few color story stickers. And that's it. That's what we're going to be doing. Maybe some pen, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. These are stickers that I got from, I always thought it was called Temu, but after the Super Bowl, they were calling it Temu. So I haven't shopped there in a long time, but these are cool stickers, and they're fun to get when they're only a couple dollars and you get so many stickers. So I went through and picked out the ones I want, but there's so many stickers that came in this pack. So there's going to be definitely more spreads with the Friends theme because I do enjoy them. So I'm going to use this one here. And they come off really easy. That's what I like that. So I'm going to put this one right here. I'm going to use her hair to cover up the notes, but that's back in the 80s there. I have some other 80s stickers in here as well from, I believe, probably that same episode. But this one has all of their names on it. And put in the comment if you watched Friends, if you watched all the seasons, and also who was your favorite character. My favorite character was Chandler. I loved Chandler. He was so fun. So, let's see here. We've got Ross and Chandler, and see that, yeah, I think that's from the same episode maybe. I could be wrong, but I know that they had a lot of flashbacks. We'll just stick that one right there. And of course, you have to have Central Perk, right? So I've got 4 of the 6 characters, and then I decided that I wanted to add in the other 2 as well, because you couldn't have a Friends page without all the friends there. So we've got Phoebe here as Regina Phalange. So, again, when you're using stickers, keep in mind where things are going to be going, how much space you have, and so I like to leave a little bit of space here and there that I could put some stuff. And I use my calendar a lot for, my planner a lot for calendar dates, and also, let me put this real quick here. Let's see how well they stick, because of course I did it too fast. Okay, it came off pretty easy. Let's see. Hold on, oi. Here we go again. What I want to do is I want to get this foot straight. There we go. So cute. Anyways, I forgot where I was. Oh, I wanted to use the color story, and I was looking for some yellows and purples, because that just reminds me of Friends. Yellow and purple reminds me of Friends because of the picture frame. So, but yes, a lot of my planners is to-do lists, and some of the stuff that I have on here, I do like to have. I'm going to use this yellow over here. I like to have my to-do lists, and I like to have actual dates of things that I'm going to do. So, yeah, it's a big to-do list, really. And then I'm going to use this purple one here. And I don't know, when I think of Friends, I think of all the different colors because they use so many different colors. And I think I'm going to put this one right here and have a long to-do list here. And I think we all decided that the pen was the way to go instead of the using the whiteout. So I'm going to get rid of this here so that I could use it for my to-do list. So we'll make one big long block. And I'm just making little circles. There we go. So now it just looks like one big long block. I'm going to try this one here. It looks like it might work a little bit better. I have a couple of these. I think what happens is once it dries, you're done. So you start, at that point, once it dries, you start taking off the paint. But, okay, I'm done. I'm not going to try and fix that any longer. But I do like that. And then, again, because it is so colorful, I'm going to use this one here. And I'm not going to need a bunch of to-dos. Sometimes I use to-buys and stuff like that. So I'm going to cut off that to-do. And I'm going to put one. Where should I put that? I think I'll just put it right here. I think it'll work in with that color pretty nicely. Yeah. There we go. And this one's cute. This one says can't stop, won't stop. So I'm thinking I might use that one. I'm going to hold that for a minute. Sisters before misters. I'm going to put that one over here. Right here between these two girls here. And I'm just looking, see if there's anything. OMG. You know what that is, right? That's the little nod to Janice. I have to use that. And I think that might be all from there. I definitely want to put this OMG, but where am I going to put it? I think we'll just kind of put it right here. Yep. All right, now I'm just going to go through with my little stickers. Once I have those stickers down in there, we'll go through and we'll see what we have. So we'll put our little mani-pedi. Right there. Of course, we have to put our little coffee. Oh, how cute is that? I'll put our little coffee right here. I already used these. We'll get our little payday out. I always use this one, and then by the time I find another one, I've already used it. So, like, oh my gosh, what should I do? But normally I put it up in this corner, but since that's already done, I'm going to put it right here. We do have some laundry. I'm going to wait. We've got our groceries. Groceries always happen on Fridays. This is when I have to pick them up. We've got our little scale here. And that goes down right in the corner where it's done at the end of the week and nobody gets to see it. You could use food all over the place for these because they're, oh, and cupcakes. They're always talking about food. And I'm going to put on here. We have busy weekend. Oh yeah, that's coming together. We're just going to look here. I think we are good. No travel plans. And I love looking through these. I've seen them. Oh, I could have used this one. Weekends with friends would have been fun. I think we are good here. I am going to use that girls' night in that I saw. And I hope I have space for it. Oh, forget that. I'm going to use the purple one. The girls' night in. And I do have room for it. I'm going to put it right here. And that is because we have my paper pumpkin put together. And I hope to see you guys there on Wednesday. So there's that. I think we're good. I think I could be kind of done with everything we've got here. That leaves me still plenty of space to write my few things here, my to-do lists, same, some space here, and then right there. So, yeah, I think that's good. What do you think? Does this personify friends? I definitely think so. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I do my plan with me's each week. I try and get them done and posted by Monday. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. And this coming Wednesday, I'll have that Global Stampers video because it is the first Wednesday of the month. And paper pumpkin put together. That is, I believe it's 4:30 or 5:30 my time. I have to look. That's why I need a planner. All right, my friends. I will talk to you later, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.